Ever wondered what it takes to make a YouTube video skyrocket in popularity? Well, buckle up, because we're about to delve into the secrets of creating viral content. First off, viral content is unpredictable by nature. However, there are key strategies you can employ to boost your chances of hitting the big time. Think of it as setting the stage for your video to take off. Getting started, it's crucial to understand your target audience. Viral content resonates with people on a deep level, connecting with their interests, values, or emotions. So ask yourself, who is this video for, and what would they want to see? Next, focus on the content itself. It should be engaging right off the bat. You've got about 5 seconds to hook your viewers before they decide to stay or leave. Make those first moments count. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. Whether it's a how-to video, a vlog, or a product review, weave a narrative into your content. Stories draw people in and keep them watching. Now let's talk about the technical side. Quality matters. High-definition visuals, clear audio, and professional editing can significantly enhance your viewers' experience. Remember, a well-produced video is more likely to be shared. Of course, you can't forget about search engine optimization, or SEO. This is how you get your video in front of the right eyes. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. And consider captions or subtitles to make your video accessible to a wider audience. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments. Foster a sense of community around your content. This can encourage your viewers to share your video and come back for more. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a compelling thumbnail and title. These are the first things potential viewers see, so make them intriguing and representative of your content. Now, let's recap. Understand your target audience and create engaging content that resonates with them. Use storytelling to captivate your viewers and invest in high-quality production. Optimize your video for search engines and engage with your viewers to build a community. Finally, draw people in with a compelling thumbnail and title. Keep in mind, going viral isn't an exact science. It takes a combination of planning, creativity, and a little bit of luck. But with these strategies in your toolkit, you're well on your way to creating content that has the potential to reach the masses. Remember, the journey to viral content is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep creating, keep improving, and most importantly, keep sharing your unique perspective with the world. Your breakout moment could be just around the corner. And there you have it, the recipe for viral content on YouTube. Happy creating!